Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair your Denon wireless speaker with your Windows PC or laptop. First of all, locate the power button and click and hold it. When this indicator lights up, click and hold play and the pause button until the indicator starts blinking quickly. Right now we are in the pairing mode, so we can simply go to the system settings. Go to the Bluetooth and devices on the left side and then click to add device. Select Bluetooth. Right now, just wait until your speaker appears on the list. Okay, as you can see, it appears at the bottom of the list, so click on it once. Okay, and at the end you can check in the sound settings if our device is set up as an output main device. There we go. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.